Hey everyone, we're going to evaluate the inverse of g here at 1. And before we get started, you need to know this formula here is very good to know. Y equals ln of x if and only if x equals e to the y. And basically, if you take ln of both sides, and I'll do it right here, you get ln of x equals ln of e to the y, and then you move the y in front here, use your power property, you get ln of x equals y. So basically, just know that you can rewrite these, interchange these back and forth when you're doing the problems. So the first thing I want to do is find the inverse here, and I'm going to go on the next slide. And just remember, you can go back and forth between these two here. Okay, so we have, I'm going to go ahead and write it as y. Y equals ln of 3x minus 2. And we're supposed to, this is our g. I'm just changing it to y there. And we're going to evaluate the inverse at 1. So first thing I'm going to do is switch the x and the y. So, because we're doing inverses, x equals ln of 3y minus 2. So this is your inverse. We haven't solved for y, but we do have the inverse. So what I can do here is go ahead and evaluate the 1 at x, and go ahead and substitute here. And I get 1 equals ln of 3y minus 2. And now go ahead and solve for y. I'm going to add the 2 to both sides. And then what I said before, what we're going to do is use that formula I used before. Instead of using ln, we're going to write e cubed, that would be our x value, equals 3y. I'm just moving back and forth with that formula there. And so therefore, if you solve for y, you divide both sides by 3. So our y is going to equal e cubed over 3. And that is your answer for that. This would be equals e cubed over 3. And that's all. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.